Hello, my name is Dr. Rodriguez. I am a science professor. STEAM is an educational movement that combines science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. On the iSTEAM channel, we will introduce STEAM fields as access points for experiential learning, inquiry, and critical thinking. Today's episode, preparation of a wet mount. Place a drop of water in the center of a clean slide. Break a piece of onion and peel a thin layer of the inside of the onion tissue. Using scissors, cut a small piece of the peeled tissue layer the size of a pencil eraser tip and place it in the drop of water. Hold the cover slip at a 45-degree angle to the slide, just touching the edge of the water droplet. The fluid will spread out along the edge of the cover slip. Place a piece of paper towel over your slide and blot gently to remove excess fluid. Observe yourselves using high power. It's important to remember to adjust the light intensity and the iris diaphragm for better contrast in viewing the cell. With the slide on the stage of the microscope, add a drop of iodine to one side of the cover slip. Place a small piece of paper towel at the opposite edge to draw the stain under the cover slip. Now view the cells again. Can you see them more clearly? Draw an onion cell and observe it under the 40x hour. Label the nucleus, the cell wall, and the cytoplasm. I hope this presentation was insightful. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy learning about STEAM. Please also share this channel with someone you think can benefit from or will enjoy the presentation of the iSTEAM channel. Hope to see you soon!